Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. I am making a summer orzo salad, perfect for those gorgeous moments of al fresco dining here in Ireland. The great thing about this recipe is that you can play with it, add in whatever you have in the fridge. I have green beans, I have tomatoes, I have olives. I'm just going to use it all up. So we've got our water just coming to the boil here. I'm going to pop in my green beans and they literally take about 2 minutes, and as soon as they're done they'll go into ice cold water. Meantime, we need to start preparing our tomatoes. So we have our chopping board here and we just start halving our tomatoes. Now this forms all part of our salad, so we can pop them in our salad bowl here. I'm not going too far because I want to keep an eye on those beans. I really don't want to overcook them. And at this time of the year, of course, beans are so plentiful in the garden, and a lot of us have been experimenting over the last year with how to grow and what to grow in your garden, and isn't it just marvellous to be able to use them? Now put them to good use, and not always just as an accompaniment to your fish or your chicken for your dinner. Why not have them as part of your salad? How lovely is that? So, and these here are tomatoes, straight from the garden as well, beautiful plum tomatoes. I like to experiment a little bit with my tomato growing, and I have all sorts, but my favourite is the Brandywine. Oh my goodness, it's such a gorgeous tomato. It's like about that size and it's so sweet and so flavourful. It's probably, unfortunately for it, the ugliest tomato going, but it is by far the tastiest. Okay, there's tomatoes done. So let's get our salad bowl in for mixing, and in goes our tomatoes. One thing done. I love a good salad dressing, and they're so easy to make. Some gorgeous extra virgin olive oil, some lime juice, fresh parsley, some salt, some honey, and for the extra zing, why not put in a little bit of the lime zest as well? Oh my goodness, it smells so good, so fresh. Oh, fabulous. Right, give that a little whisk up. I'm mad about salads in the summer. So healthy, so fresh. And sometimes you just want to eat that little bit lighter, and this ticks the box. You have a bowl of cold water, some ice, pop it in, and the top tip, whip out your green beans, straight into iced water, and that keeps them nice and green because it immediately stops the cooking process. And if anything, it makes them even more vibrant. Look at the colour of them. A little bit more ice in there just to cool it down, because I want those for my salad, so they need to cool quickly. Next, we have our orzo. We are ready to assemble tomatoes. I love orzo. It's a beautiful, beautiful pasta, but you could use farfalle, or you could use shells for this, or you could use rice, either, not a problem. I have some olives because I just adore black olives. So we'll just cut these in half here. So if you like this recipe or any of my recipes, do make sure you subscribe here to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to check out CatherineFulvio.com and Ballyknockin.com. So this is Ballyknockin House and Cookery School. And on CatherineFulvio.com you'll also see our online cookery school and lots of my recipes too. Right, let's get our beans out. We don't need the ice in the salad. We can just shake off the water there. The colour is gorgeous. I mean, look at that. It's already looking like a fantastic, flavourful summer salad. Right, we'll hide the washing up and we're back over here. Now the orzo goes in. So we'll get a spoon here, pop in our orzo. Salad dressing needs to go on at this stage, so pour it in. Get it all in there. It's a lovely mix up. Oh my goodness. Fabulous. And here I have some fresh chives, pop them in. Love using fresh herbs. So any herbs you have, get them in there. We are ready to serve. And all we need now is some lovely salad leaves. So here I have some arugula or rocket. Just space it out beautifully on your platter because this is a lovely plate to table salad. So you have your green salad on the outside and then your beautiful summer orzo salad in the center. Look at the color of that. Who wouldn't want that? And finally, to garnish, from the garden here at Ballyknocken, I have some lovely chive flowers. And all you need to do is you just pull off the flowers and you can just sprinkle them on top. Isn't that just so, so pretty? So we have this recipe and lots more on my website, catherinefulvio.com. I love that. This is my kind of salad. So that there is my summer orzo salad.